Right, simplify this on the left hand side. It's already broken into brackets. That's going to be useful because now I can see there's an x plus 2 at the top, x plus 2 at the bottom. These will cancel each other out. So I'm just left with that there. So I'll just write it out in full. Right, no need to put the brackets back in. Right, that one's not necessary. Here we had to use brackets to separate this one from this one. That's why we needed brackets. We don't need the brackets anymore because it's by itself. This question over here, simplify. Well, you notice it's a quadratic expression, and it's always a good idea to break it into brackets, just like we had over here. It's a good idea to break into brackets so we can cancel top and bottom parts. Right, since it's a quadratic, we know the top is going to be double brackets. Right, what two numbers multiply together to give you the 6, but when added together to give the middle one, 5? It's obviously 2 and 3, or 3 and 2. You can check. 2 times 3 is 6, and then 2 add 3 is 5. So we can use 2 and 3. Right, I've covered this in previous video, how to factorize quadratics. Right, the bottom one is not a double bracket, it's single bracket factorization. We know that we need single bracket. We know 2 goes into both 2 and 4. All right, so we factor out the 2. Now 2 times something to give me 2x. So obviously 2x. X. 2 times x gives me 2x, and then 2 times something to give me 4. There you go. You can check. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 2 is 4. Right, that works out well. What do you notice about this compared to this? It's exactly the same. So all we need to do now is find what they have in common. Well, you've got an x plus 2, they knock each other out. You're just left with x plus 3 over 2. Same as what we got over here.